Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, my review. Xiaomi recently released its Redmi Note 6 Pro, which I didn't cover in my channel, or maybe I have done. And following that, Realme and Asus are just bringing some superb kind of smartphone, which I've already told you the pros and cons of Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2. If you have not watched it till now, then please go check it. I'll provide the link in the cards above. So, is Xiaomi getting out of the track? What do you think, guys? Please comment me below. But just wait, because I have something interesting to share to you. Because a recent report suggests that the Xiaomi is working on 48 megapixel Redmi phone, which may feature a in-display punch hole camera, is done by Huawei and Samsung. And again, recent leaks support that this phone will launch in 2019 January. And the fact about the launching of 48 megapixel Redmi phone is not only rumored, because it has been confirmed by the president of the company, Lin Bin. So it is sure to be launched in January 2019. So I do hope that this smartphone will be Redmi Note 7 Pro or Redmi Note 7 in China, because the Redmi Note 6 Pro was a flop device because there came so much competition of Realme and Asus in the market. So now, after seeing this, I begin to do certain kind of researches, and here is what I found. If you guys know or not, there was certain report that Xiaomi announced to launch its smartphone with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset, which is 11 nanometer based, when the processor was announced. And looking onto the specification of the processor, it supports up to 48 megapixel of snapshot. So here is the screenshot from the spec sheet of the processor, and this also confirms the fact. And talking about other specification or features which are not clear, but looking at these two things, we can obviously say that this smartphone is not gonna be kind of lower budget segment, because I think it will reach quite about 2000 yuan, which is around 20,000 Indian rupees. So I think that we can appreciate Xiaomi's work, because giving 48 megapixel camera in 20K segment is absolutely only possible by Xiaomi. And also the Snapdragon 675 chipset, which has not been tested quite good enough till now. And talking about the processor, it is clocked at 2 gigahertz 8 Cryo 460 CPU, so it is based on 64-bit architecture. And talking about all those will take a bit long, so I'm not extending the video. So is many things suggest that the smartphone can be Redmi Note 7, because the Note 6 Pro was a flop, and Xiaomi also announced it one of the smartphone with 675 chipset which support 48 megapixel camera. And Lin Bin also confirmed that the 48 megapixel camera will launch in January 2019, and all the reports suggest that it is Redmi phone, while some also claim that it is going to be a Mi series phone, which I personally don't think so. What is your thought in about this smartphone? Please comment me below, and if you like the video, then please hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, peace out.